Meaning of deglaze.
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 Deglaze. Deglazing is a cooking technique that involves adding a liquid to a pan in which meat, fish, or vegetables have been cooked. The liquid can be wine, stock, or water, and it is used to loosen the browned bits of food stuck to the bottom of the pan. As the liquid simmers, it dissolves the delicious caramelized flavors from the bottom of the pan and creates a flavorful sauce. The resulting sauce is rich, full-bodied, and packed with umami flavor. Deglazing is an excellent way to add depth and complexity to your dish and elevate its overall taste.